good before. How should I stay medicated? Syntax, thank you so much for the $3, my man. Enjoying yourself, I see. Enjoying yourself, I see. Long time lurker, overdue for this. That's what's up. Told you guys we were coming out with a fucking knife. Let's go. Told you guys we were coming out with a knife. Go. Let's go. Told you guys we were coming out with a knife. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. It's a knife. It's a knife, dude. It's a knife.
Because we are ducks, and ducks fly together.
Wow. Yo, Topic, thank you so much for being here. Welcome to the community. I hope you enjoy your stay. There it is, battle scarred, but you know what? I'll take it. How much is that worth? M9 battle scarred.
And ducks fly
127 bucks. Let's go. Mick Adams OG, thank you so much for the sub and welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go.